Instagram not sending SMS text code problem solved in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you wanna do to fix it is very easy. Just open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this, and then search for Instagram right here until you find it. When you find it, click on it, and now all what you want to do here is click on this option and then click on the data usage. Scroll down, make sure that all the options are enabled like this. And now all what you want to do is go back to the settings on your phone, click on wireless and networks, and then click on Wi-Fi. Turn off the Wi-Fi and then enable it again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.